Okay, question number 5. A machine fills containers with grass seeds. Each container is supposed to weigh 28 kilograms, so that means it's the mean, right? However, the weights vary with a standard deviation of 0.54 kilogram. Random sample of 24 bag is taken to check that the mean weight is 28 or not. So it says A, state and justify the appropriate test. Okay, the test is going to be null hypothesis says, so mean is equal to 28 kilogram. The alternative hypothesis says no, mean is not equal to 28 kilogram. Okay, I hope it's clear. What is the critical region for the sample mean if the probability of a type 1 error is to, think about it. So here is your distribution. And we say that it's not equal to, that means you're looking for this area here and then this area. What is the type 1 mistake? The type 1 error is those significant, like the alpha is the type 1 mistake here and then here. When it's true, you accept the alternative hypothesis. This is the type 1 mistake. It says, write it down the critical region, write it down those numbers here. How can we do it? Is this, are we going to use the T or the Z distribution? Of course, Z distribution, because we know the standard deviation of the population. Okay, I will go to the interval and Z1 sample, and then it's going to be from variable. What is my confidence interval? So 1 minus this, right? This area here, this is 1 minus 0.035. Okay, let's write it down. 1 minus 0.035. Okay, standard deviation is this, and then 28 is mean, and then how many back we took? 24. Okay, here is your critical region. The number, it's 27.7676. Okay, and then here is 28.23, In your test, please write them all. So you went to the interval and then Z interval, okay, and then you type them in as C level is 1 minus 0.035, and then standard deviation is 0.54, sample mean is 28, and then n is equal to 24. Write them all, please. Okay, type 2 error. What is the type 2 error is? So we accept the null hypothesis when it's we accept the null hypothesis actually when it's wrong, right? So we know the right one. It says the mean is actually 28.1 kilogram. What is the type 2 error? The type 2 error is over here, this area. What I am looking for, actually I will go to the normal distribution now, and then it's distributed 28.1. What is my standard deviation? My standard deviation, I'm taking 24 samples, right? Then my standard deviation, I'm going to write it down the variance here. Okay, 24. My new standard deviation is going to be this is variance. The standard deviation is going to be 0.54 divided by square root of 24. So what I'm looking for this interval here. Okay, let's go to the, let's go to the distribution, normal distribution, and CD. What is my lower value? 27.60, 26.76. Upper value is 28.23, 323 981 981. And my standard deviation, please use parentheses, 0.54 divided by square root of 24, close the parentheses, and the mean, the new 28.1. Okay, I hope we did everything right. So it's equal to, the p-value is equal to, the type 2 error probability is equal to 0.884. Okay, this is the type 2 error probability. I hope everything is clear, right? So, okay, everything is clear. All right, question 5 is done.